Imagine a world where naval warfare is not dictated by human hands, but by cutting-edge technology. Welcome to the reality of unmanned Navy technology. This concept, once a mere figment of science fiction, is rapidly transforming the face of naval warfare. Unmanned Navy technology is a game-changer, introducing an era of maritime operations where drones and remote-controlled vessels rule the waters. From surveillance and reconnaissance to combat missions, these autonomous systems are designed to perform tasks that are dangerous, dull, or dirty without putting human lives at risk. They are reshaping the way nations approach naval strategy and defense. Today, key players in this field include the United States, China, and Russia, all of whom are investing heavily in this technology. But as we delve deeper into this topic, one nation stands out in its pursuit of this technology: Turkey. Not traditionally known as a major naval power, Turkey is making waves in the world of unmanned Navy technology, and we're about to find out how. Turkey isn't just a significant player in unmanned Navy technology, it is emerging as a formidable naval power. The nation's commitment to advancing their naval capabilities is remarkable, with considerable investments in unmanned technology. Turkey's arsenal now boasts a fleet of impressive unmanned naval ships, each equipped with cutting-edge technology and capabilities that are a testament to their strategic foresight. Take the ARE's shipyard and Meteksanzulak, for instance, Turkey's first indigenous armed unmanned surface vessel. This vessel is not only a symbol of national pride, but also a beacon of Turkey's technological prowess, capable of conducting a variety of missions from intelligence gathering to direct combat. What's interesting is the comparison with other global powers. While the United States has been a traditional frontrunner in naval power, their progress in unmanned technology seems to be trailing. Despite their established naval dominance, the US has yet to match Turkey's rapid advancements in this area. The development of unmanned naval ships in Turkey is not just about technological breakthroughs, it's about a strategic shift in power. China, another significant player, has been making strides too, but the pace and determination of Turkey's progress have set it apart. The rise of Turkey as a naval power is not just about the present, it's about the future of naval warfare. Turkey's rapid development in this field is reshaping the global naval landscape. But what makes these unmanned naval ships so special? Unmanned naval ships are not just boats without a crew, they are sophisticated pieces of technology designed for modern warfare. A far cry from the traditional vessels we're accustomed to, these ships operate on state-of-the-art systems that allow them to perform tasks without direct human intervention. At the heart of these systems are advanced AI algorithms. These algorithms, coupled with high-precision sensors and radars, enable the ships to navigate the high seas, detect threats, and even engage in combat, all without a single soul on board. Various models have emerged on the scene, each with its unique capabilities. For instance, the Turkish Ares shipyard's ULAC is a drone boat that can reach speeds of up to 50 knots and operate as far as 120 nautical miles offshore. It's a testament to Turkey's growing prowess in naval technology. On the other side of the world, the United States Sea Hunter, a fully autonomous trimaran, is another notable example. Developed by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, this ship can traverse thousands of miles over open seas for periods extending to months. The control of these ships also varies. Some require partial human control, while others are fully autonomous, utilizing satellite communications for remote command and control. While these technological marvels are reshaping naval warfare, they also come with their own set of advantages and challenges. Like any technology, unmanned Navy brings a host of benefits and hurdles. The advantages are clear: reduced risk to human life, as the need for sailors on dangerous missions is eliminated. Efficiency is another strong point. Unmanned naval vessels can operate continuously without the need for rest, and their compact design allows for swifter maneuvers. However, these advantages don't come without challenges. Control issues have always been a concern. For instance, during the Cold War, a US unmanned submarine lost control and ended up in Soviet waters, causing a diplomatic crisis. Cyber threats also loom large. In 2020, a Chinese unmanned naval vessel was reportedly hacked and its course altered. Despite these challenges, the rise of unmanned Navy technology is an unstoppable force, with Turkey at the helm of this exciting new frontier.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members, Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.